Hello everyone. When you use PVACreator, you will find that you still need some third-party service. For example, phone services. And some customers don't know how to use it. Today, I am going to show you how to get the phone service API key from 5sim and SMS PVA. Open 5sim.net and log in. Click the email on the right. Then you'll see Get a API key here. There are two API keys. What we need is the second one. Copy it and we can paste it into the software. You can also use SMS PVA to get the API key. Open smspva.com and log in. Click the username on the right. Then you'll see Profile and API key here. Copy it and we can paste it into the software. That's all today. Thanks for watching.